Now at 6, sex offenders taken off the registry. A new ruling says South Carolina's law requiring offenders to register for life is unconstitutional.
Fox 46's Jamal Goss is live in the newsroom with why some lawmakers say those currently registered should get a second chance. Jamal?
Well, right now, lawmakers in South Carolina are rushing to align themselves with the Supreme Court's new ruling. Meantime, an attorney says their decision is long overdue.
We have a chance now.
Attorney Lori Murray represents criminals charged with sex offenses in South Carolina. She says after the Supreme Court's ruling deeming the state's lifetime sex offender registry requirements unconstitutional, her clients now have a fighting chance at rebuilding their lives.
Lifetime registration for a sex offender is like a death sentence. It doesn't go away.
Justices say offenders who demonstrate a low risk of reoffending should be able to petition a judge to have their names taken off the lifetime registry. South Carolina has one of the toughest registry laws in the country. SORNA, which monitors and tracks sex offenders, recommends up to 25 years based on the offense level, but South Carolina requires offenders to register for a lifetime. Murray says that can hinder them from getting a job, force them to stay away from schools, and impact where they live. Young offenders are key to the conversation.
All of these people on this list have been on there for a lifetime and waiting for a chance to get off. And until now, we have had no way to get them out.
I believe there are some things that we will have to work out for those people who may have been in high school.
Representative John King is one lawmaker representing York County. He has a bill on the State House floor that would eliminate the names of offenders from the registry. Offenders would have to show good behavior after 10 years, but it wouldn't expunge the charge. Right now, more than 13,000 people are registered as sex offenders in the Palmetto State, and officials say with delays from the pandemic, they're expecting a backlog of these cases in the coming months. In a statement, SLED, who helps prosecute sex crime cases, says they're reviewing the decision and deciding whether or not to petition the Supreme Court for rehearing to address concerns.
Any citizen who has to register right now can go before the court and say, listen, you have ruled that this is unconstitutional, and the state has not acted on this. I'm asking the court to make that decision. The court may come up with a decision that we as legislators don't agree with.
And right now, lawmakers have 12 months to present a statute to the justices for review. Representative King says he's confident they will have one by then. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Jamal Goss, Fox 46.